Welcome to homework.
To solve these problems, we can use the binomial probability formula. The binomial probability formula is used when there are two possible outcomes, in this case, satisfied or not satisfied, and the events are independent and have a fixed probability. So I'm going to show you how to do this with the Desmos graphing calculator. If you were to go to functions and scroll down to distributions and choose the binomial distribution, it'll ask for the trials and probability. So in part A, compute the probability that in a random sample of 10 users, so there's 10 trials, where the probability of success is 65%. You would click the CDF, and the question is, in a sample of 10 users, what's the probability that more than 3, not 3 or more than 3, so that would be 4 or more. So we've set the minimum to 4, that would be 0.974 or 97.4%. The probability that in a random sample of 13, so 13 trials, more than 4 but fewer than 8 were satisfied. So it's still the same 65% success. More than 4 but fewer than 8. So more than 4 would be a minimum of 5 because we're not going to include 4. And fewer than 8 would be a maximum of 7. And so that would be 0.2715 or 27.15%. And the last one, compute the probability that in a random sample of 12 users, so 12 trials, 65% success, fewer than 3 were dissatisfied. Fewer than 3 being dissatisfied, we can either change the probability of success to the dissatisfied and then answer it straightforward, or we take the complement. So I will just change the probability. The probability of being dissatisfied is 0.35. And then fewer than 3 would be 2 or less. So that'd be a maximum of 2. And that would be 0.1513 or 15.13%.